Good afternoon, bro.
Can I take your order?
Here's my order,
Yes,
Bubot.
order ko niyo. Very good. Then click mo to. Click mo tong call by number.
Call by number.
Yes, very good. Then copy mo. 87.
87.
Then enter.
Available na ba?
Yes. Very good. Now, ma'am, your total bill is 124 po.
Your bill is
124.
Your bill is 124.
Very good. Grabe may accent mo. Okay. No, tigil lang ang hawak. Okay. Okay. Very good. Now, click mo to. Table service. Table service. And 1. Enter. Very good. Then click mo is 100. Yes. Yes. Then 20.
PHP.
Yes. Then send PHP extra. Very good. Walang hawak ka. Ma'am, here's your receipt po. Thank you. Ma'am, here's your receipt po. Ma'am, here's your receipt po. Thank you.
This is your receipt.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Bubot.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.